Are you ready to revolutionize your daily commute? Electric bikes are the way to go. With their eco-friendly and cost-effective design, they're gaining popularity worldwide. But with so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Here's our top 7 best electric bikes to help you make an informed decision. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Giant TCR-E Plus Advanced. Introducing the Giant TCR-E Plus Advanced, the ultimate e-bike for riders who crave performance and adventure. Designed for the most discerning cyclists, this innovative bike combines the best of both worlds: the efficiency and thrill of a high-performance road bike, and the power and convenience of an electric assist. With its sleek aerodynamic design, the Giant TCR-E Plus Advanced is built for speed and agility. Its advanced composite frame features a unique blend of Giant's proprietary technologies, including a high modulus carbon fork and a specially designed e-bike-specific frame that ensures optimal power transmission and stability. The TCR-E Plus Advanced features a Giant SyncDrive Pro motor, which provides a seamless and intuitive ride experience. With its 4 assist modes, including Eco, Turbo, and Custom, you can tailor your ride to suit your fitness level and riding style. The 500-watt battery provides an impressive range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, ensuring you can ride all day without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're tackling tough climbs, sprinting along the flats, or simply cruising through the city, the Giant TCR-E Plus Advanced is the perfect companion for your next adventure. With its exceptional handling, responsive braking, and impressive acceleration, this e-bike is sure to leave you grinning from ear to ear. Experience the thrill of riding like never before with the Giant TCR-E Plus Advanced. Number 6. ETTRI. Experience the thrill of cycling with a twist of technology. The ETTRI is a cutting-edge electric bicycle that combines the freedom of a bike with the power and efficiency of an electric motor. Designed for both commuters and adventure seekers, this innovative ride is perfect for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint and have a blast doing it. With its sleek and modern design, the ETTRI is not only stylish but also built to last. Its sturdy frame is made from high-quality materials, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. The 500D motor provides a boost of power when you need it, making it easy to tackle hills and long distances. The 48V 12Ah lithium-ion battery offers a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend getaways. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring scenic trails, the ETTRI is the perfect companion. With its advanced features, including a reliable braking system, adjustable seat, and comfortable handlebars, this bike is designed to provide a comfortable and enjoyable ride. So why wait? Get ready to experience the thrill of cycling like never before with the ETTRI. Number 5. ADDM M66X. Are you ready to take your off-road adventures to the next level? Look no further than the ADDM M66X, a rugged and reliable electric mountain bike designed to tackle even the toughest trails. With its powerful 750 motor, this bike is capable of reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, making it perfect for commuters, thrill seekers, and nature enthusiasts alike. The M66X features a sturdy aluminum frame, durable tires, and a comfortable suspension system, ensuring a smooth ride over rough terrain. The bike's 48V 12Ah battery provides a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long rides or daily commutes. With its advanced throttle system, you can easily switch between pedal assist and full throttle mode, giving you the freedom to ride however you want. Whether you're climbing steep hills, navigating rocky trails, or simply cruising around town, the ADDM M66X is the perfect companion for your next adventure. With its reliable performance, comfortable design, and affordable price point, this bike is sure to exceed your expectations. Number 4. Gotra Neele. Introducing the Gotra Neele, a revolutionary electric bike designed to take your riding experience to new heights. With its sleek and modern design, this e-bike is not only a stylish statement but also a powerful and efficient mode of transportation. Powered by a 350 W motor, the NEPELE can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, making it perfect for both urban commuting and recreational rides. The NEPELE features a durable and lightweight aluminum frame, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains. The bike is equipped with a 12.5Ah battery, providing a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. With its advanced pedal assist technology, you can adjust the level of assistance to suit your riding style and fitness level. Additional features include a Shimano 7-speed gear system, front and rear disc brakes, and LED lights for added safety. The NEPELE also comes with a comfortable saddle and ergonomic handlebars, ensuring a comfortable ride for hours on end. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just looking for an eco-friendly alternative to driving, the Gotra's NEPELE is the perfect choice for anyone looking to experience the thrill of electric cycling. Number 3. Specialized Turbo Vado 3.0. Take your ride to the next level with the Specialized Turbo Vado 3.0, a cutting-edge electric bike designed to conquer any terrain. Equipped with the latest technology, this sleek and powerful bike combines the efficiency of a commuter bike with the thrill of a mountain bike. The Turbo Vado 3.0 features a reliable and efficient 250 W motor paired with a sleek and lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to navigate even the toughest hills. The Vado 3.0 boasts a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, giving you the freedom to explore without worrying about running out of juice. With its intuitive and user-friendly controls, you'll be able to adjust power levels, navigate through gears, and customize your ride to suit your style. Plus, its advanced battery technology ensures quick and easy recharging. Whether you're commuting to work, tackling rugged trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, the Specialized Turbo Vado 3.0 is the perfect companion for any adventure. With its impressive range, smooth ride, and sleek design, this e-bike is sure to exceed your expectations. Number 2. Cannondale Synapse Neo 2. The Cannondale Synapse Neo 2 is a revolutionary e-road bike that redefines the boundaries of comfort and performance. With its innovative design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional handling, this bike is designed to take your ride to new heights. The Synapse Neo 2 features a lightweight, carbon fiber frame with a comfortable, upright riding position, perfect for long days in the saddle. Equipped with Cannondale's patented SmartForm C1 construction, this bike is incredibly strong and durable, while also providing exceptional responsiveness and agility. The Synapse Neo 2 also features a Bosch Active Line Plus motor, delivering a smooth and powerful ride with up to 50 miles of range on a single charge. Other notable features include Shimano GRX hydraulic disc brakes, providing unparalleled stopping power and control, and a wide-range Shimano GRX 11-speed drivetrain, allowing you to tackle any terrain with ease. The Cannondale Synapse Neo 2 is the perfect bike for riders who want the ultimate combination of comfort, performance, and technology. Experience the thrill of e-road riding with this incredible machine. Number 1. Yamaha Power Assist Bike. Take your daily commute to the next level with the Yamaha Power Assist Bike, a cutting-edge e-bike designed to provide a smooth, efficient, and enjoyable ride. With its innovative technology and sleek design, this bike is perfect for commuters, enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a convenient and environmentally friendly way to get around. Equipped with a powerful Yamaha electric motor, the Power Assist bike provides an effortless boost to your pedaling, making it easy to tackle hills and long distances with ease. The bike's advanced battery system offers a range of up to 62 miles on a single charge, giving you the freedom to ride wherever you want. The Yamaha Power Assist bike features a comfortable, ergonomic design with an adjustable seat and handlebars, ensuring a comfortable ride for riders of all sizes. The bike also comes with a range of features, including a high-visibility LCD display, anti-lock braking system, and wide tires for improved traction. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or simply enjoying the outdoors, the Yamaha Power Assist bike is the perfect companion. With its exceptional performance, comfort, and reliability, this bike is sure to revolutionize your daily ride. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best electric bikes. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.